I'm just gonna let y'all watch. Hey guys, it's Tanzania, aka Tanzy the Glow Up Guru. So in this video, guys, I want to say hello again. But anyway, guys, sorry to be so awkward. Not sorry. But yeah, guys, I'm about to show you how I made this. This is part 3 of my Tanzy technique series. I guess it would be a series, part 1, 2, 3, I guess. But I think this will be the last time I show this technique using synthetic hair. But it looks natural. It just looks too dang on puffy. Let me take a selfie. My goodness. Woo! Y'all want to see the back? Alrighty. So now what I'm gonna do is keep watching. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna take my blow dryer. I'm gonna put it on warm, on high warm. I might put it on low warm. Do not put it on high because you will melt this hair. Not melt it, but you'll make the hair straight instead of the way it looks kinky curly or whatever. So yeah, I'm putting it on warm. Just hold it. Basically flatten it. Alright guys, so I'm back. I'm actually going to cut this. Because you know it's like natural hair, so it springs up. So I'm going to cut it right here. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to take my extreme gel. Yes guys, you will need gel in order to tame this hair. It's gonna be gooey. I'm gonna let you know right now. It's gonna be gooey. Gooey. Having this sore throat. It's not sore anymore, but it's like since I've been sick, it's hard to talk. But I'm gonna take this. Guys, I did blow dry some more, but with hot air this time. I know I told you no hot air, but you just gotta know how to do it. I mean, I guess you could do without gel if you wanted to, but I just like doing gel because it looks more natural to me. And I think I'm gonna cut it again because once I and this gel will make it once again gooey.